Alright, smart home fans, let's answer the big question. Is the Ecobee Smart Thermostat Essential a smart buy, or just hype? I've spent the last week putting it through its paces, and here's my honest review. First off, installation is a breeze. If you hate complicated wiring, you'll love that Ecobee includes clear instructions, wire labels, and push-in connectors. I didn't even need a screwdriver. The touchscreen is super simple, and the app walks you through every step, even if you're not a tech wizard. What really stands out is compatibility. This thing plays nice with Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple HomeKit. I set up voice control in under 5 minutes, and it actually works. No weird lag, no awkward hiccups. When it comes to saving energy, the Eco Plus feature lets you set custom schedules and can even help you qualify for rebates from your utility company. Some users on Reddit say they've actually seen their bills drop. But let's keep it real. There are a few downsides. You'll need a C-wire, or you'll be fiddling with the included power extender kit. And the display isn't as sharp as the premium version. No built-in air quality sensor, no fancy voice assistant, and if you want room sensors, you'll have to buy those separately. Some folks have found the Eco Plus settings a bit aggressive. Sometimes too much eco means the house gets uncomfortable. And a handful of people mention the temp readings can be off by a few degrees. Here's my bottom line. If you've got a standard HVAC and want affordable smart control, this is a solid pick. But if you crave every bell and whistle, you might want to splurge on the higher-end model. So, legit? Absolutely.